So we just came into a new place. This is a room that we were originally supposed to get. So this is the kitchen area, a little fridge, microwave, toaster, garbage thing, the stove, sink, cabinet space, fan. Let's go here first. This is the toilet, so it gets its own separate room, much bigger than the other one. Then this is the bathroom. Apparently this was the laundry area. I thought it was the shower. Laundry, sink, mirror, the tab, a little mirror down there, the shower. So that's the bathroom. And then this has like 2 rooms, so 2 beds and then a closet. Closet space. We didn't have any closet space in the other one, so much more room. And then it attaches to this other side, which has a single bed, and then a TV, a lamp thing, and also a closet, a mirror, AC. The view here is not as good, so we're directly on the street actually. So in the other one we were higher up, so we had the better view of the tower. But here, this is the 2nd floor, but we're not complaining. Space is better. This is our first full day in Tokyo. And we're walking around to look for pocket Wi-Fi and also get food. We had noodles for breakfast, so we're hungry now because we had breakfast at like 6 a.m. But yeah, it's so hot. It's hot, it's humid, it's everything. These people, wait. So we're taking this down to here, then you walk to this, and then go down this way.
It's not complicated at all.
So I think we found our place. We didn't get lost. Say hi, Falky.
Hey.
To get a pocket Wi-Fi, it's like a little device you can walk around that connects to Wi-Fi. Since we don't have a line here, it's hot. It's so hot.
Too hot.
So this is a portable Wi-Fi thing.
Hi.
Comes in this bag, and then you can return it at the airport. And these people are called Ninja Wi-Fi, and they also have translators. Then you just have to register online and put in your credit card information. So we're taking it today, which is the 27th, and returning it on the 30th, and it cost like 3,000 yen, which I guess is like $30. Japan is so clean. Look at this, there's no garbage anywhere. I've not found a place where there's garbage on the ground or like just thrown out.
Actual thing you do. Tokyo Kart.
I would die. I would crash.
Let's switch it up. Let's switch it up.
Yeah, let's switch it up. So we're going to look for food, lunch. It's like 3 p.m. Get some food, head back to the place, probably chill out, then we'll probably do like an evening stroll kind of thing and maybe get like ice cream or something just to like cool down, because this humid air is a no. But so far Japan is so good. Tokyo is so good. Kauki, what do you think of it?
Yeah, Tokyo has the best food so far.
Best food, best people. The people are so nice. They mind their own business. They don't look at you weirdly.
They sit right next to you.
Yeah, they come sit right next to you even if there's like spots down. And also they really help with directions. Even if most of them don't speak English, they still help you. So we got our food. We got 2 different kinds of foods. This is like rice with curry, egg, and pork. This we got at a donair place. It has some beef and some chicken, some fries, some rice, and then some sauce. And then we got this at the same place that we got this, but then I don't really know what it is. It just looked enticing. And this is lunch / dinner.